Hot room, say goodbye to sweaty days with the Frigidaire 5000 BTU air conditioner. Choose your comfort, 2 fan speeds, and effortless temperature control keep your room just the way you like it. Cool up to 250 square feet with powerful, quiet performance, just 52 dA, perfect for bedrooms and small spaces. Easy to maintain with a washable dust filter that keeps air clean and fresh. And yes, it auto-restarts with your settings after a power outage. No extension cord needed, long power cord and adjustable side panels make setup a breeze. Stay cool, stay comfy. Frigidaire's 5000 BTU window AC is your perfect summer partner. Link in bio.